promise to fulfill the duties of my office.
Taking their oath of office. Beaufort High School held a student council installation ceremony. During the event, elected members from each class, as well as the student body officers, recited the school's pledge of office.
I will strive to promote.
The newly elected representatives are excited and ready to lead the school.
We owe ourselves the best 2021-2022 school year ever.
I get to kind of interact with my peers, figure out how I can communicate what they need to our administration and get things done. And I also wanted to work to kind of recreate what was like quintessentially the Beaufort High School spirit that was so difficult to maintain during COVID.
I just really want to make a difference. I was like, I thought it'd be cool because my brother was on it, and I thought it'd be cool to serve on student council. And then after that, this year, I'm excited to, get the spirit back.
We're more than excited to serve you guys this year.
The Principal's Advisory Committee was also recognized. The group works closely with administrators at the school.
People, sometimes teachers and administrators, they don't see the side of the school that parents, students and their parents have. Just because if they're working with this information all day, they just don't see, hey, what is this problem that maybe a student will run into? It's hard for them to see that, and that's what the students kind of bring that perspective.
The Student Body Council is already thinking up ways to make sure this year is special.
With COVID, we were prevented from participating in so much of the definitive high school experience.
Dances, pep rallies, all the football games, getting people at any other sports teams games like volleyball and everything. So just kind of supporting all of our students.
A new prom program where, kids that possibly couldn't afford prom or putting forward prom dresses, we could get the school to come together and really make that prom special.
Earlier this school year, students campaigned for office. Each class, as well as the entire student body, has 4 student council representatives, a president, vice president, secretary, and treasurer. And the Principal's Advisory Committee is made up of 12 students. At Beaufort High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
Our time here is what we make it, so let's give it all we've got. Thank you so much, and go Eagles.